This is the Big Brother Naija Review Show.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Toks TV. It is your host Nikedri. You guys, it seems as if there's tension rising in the Big Brother Naija house, and it is between Arin, Angel, and Maria. It seems as if they are going to fight soon, or they're having conflict, because they had a game, they were playing a game, and then Maria and Nee felt as if their own team, they were being cheated. So they decided to express how they feel, and they said that they were cheating them. And apparently Maria had a lot of things to say, which got Arin very angry, and Angel as well. So they started screaming in the sitting room. And Arin especially was really angry about it, because it took a lot of people to try and calm her down. Even Saga had to intervene, as well as Nicole Rose, because Nicole Rose had to bring Maria and bring Arin to talk and squash whatever they were having. But it doesn't seem as if Arin has squashed it, because Arin and Angel, they seem to be getting along, and they seem to not really be getting along with Maria. And Maria as well, she said that it's not a big deal. That's what she said, that it's not a big deal. But probably, I don't know, she's maybe probably saying things that would hurt them or something. And because Maria has a very strong, bold personality, it's really, to them, it might be coming off rude, or to a lot of viewers, it's coming off rude. But I'm really surprised by Arin, because I thought Arin was not going to be so outspoken as she is, because she's at this point, she's saying her mind and how she feels, and she's apparently saying it to the person's face. So I like that about Arin. She's not holding anything back, and that's the type of thing we're looking for. But it really seems as if at a particular point, I don't know, they might probably fight. And we're here for all the drama, let's not lie. We're here for all of it. We're here for the violence. But we just have to wait and see. And also, they also feel as if Maria is the wild card, and there's some speculations that Pere is the wild card. So we're just going to see who they nominate, because nominations are coming up very, very soon, and Big is also going to tell us who the wild cards are. So let's just see how everything goes.